Baron Rothschild.
Yes, apparently the 8th Earl of Bridgewater used to have dinner parties where the only guests were his pet dogs. Sounds to me like the man was out of his mind. Wouldn't you agree, Mr. Gibbons? Well, I'll take that as a yes. Still, one shouldn't really judge. I suppose I have some rather strange dinner guests myself this evening. Of course, the vicar hasn't arrived yet. I know, but don't worry, he won't stay with me. For some reason, he doesn't like the live snakes I have wrapped around the banisters. All right, let's get started like stars. Yes, the soup is hot, isn't it? I say, Mr. Chimpington, could you pass me a bread roll? Mr. Chimpington, that is not how we pass. And I very much hope that was one of Cook's brownies. Really now, we're not animals.